All right, guys, so lesson 5 notes is kind of a combination of everything we've been doing this week. So when we look at lesson 5, all right, it says reflect across the x-axis and dilate K by 1/4. So we kind of have some steps here. It says label the 4 corners of the shape and their ordered pairs. So I'm going to label this guy A, I'll label this guy B, I'll label this guy C, and this guy D. When I go in and label these points, this is going to be -8, 8. B is at -4, 8. C is at -8, 4. And D is at -4, 4. All right, so now what they want me to do after I've labeled that and ordered those ordered pairs, they want me to identify the new ordered pairs after reflecting across the x-axis. So remember, when we reflect across the x, what we're really doing is multiplying our y by -1. So I'm going to have -8, -8 for A prime. B prime will be at -4, -8. C prime will be -8, -4. And D prime should be -4, -4. I'm going to go in and graph those. So -8, -8 would be down here. That's A prime. B prime is at -4, -8. C prime is at -8, -4. And D prime is at -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. Now what they want me to do is identify the new ordered pairs after the dilation of the graph. So now I need to multiply everything in here for the new dilations by 1/4. So when I do that, I'm going to make 2 little tallies here to show that, hey, this is the second move. -8 times 1/4 will give me -2. So I get -2, -2. B, the second prime, will be -1, -2. C to the second prime will be -2, -1. And D to the second prime will be -1, -1. So I'm going to go in and change my color. When I graph this, I get -2, -2. I get -1, -2. I get -2, -1, and -1, -1. When I graph that, here is my new shape. All right, so for example 2, they want me to dilate by 2, and then they want me to reflect across the y-axis. So when I do that, I need to start by multiplying by 2. So first we need to find my points. So I'm going to call this guy here, let's see, A. I'll call this guy B. I'll call this guy C, and this guy D. So I'm going to multiply all these ordered pairs. First, I need to find those ordered pairs. Well, A is at 0, 3. B is at, it looks like 2.53. C will be at 4, 0. And D is at 0, 0. I need to multiply all these by 2. So for A prime, I'll get 0, 6. For B prime, I'll get 5, 6. For C prime, I'll get 8, 0. And for D prime, I will get 0, 0. Now what they want me to do is reflect across the y. To do that, I'm going to multiply my x by -1. So when I go in to do that, if I multiply my x by -1 to reflect it across my y, which is this line right here, I'm going to get 0, 6 for A prime to the second. For the second prime for B, I'll get -5, 6 because I multiplied 5 by -1. For C to the second prime, I would get negative 8, 0. And D to the second prime, I'll get 0, 0. 0, 0 is D to the second prime, which overlaps. Okay, this guy right here will be C to the second prime. Negative 5, 6 is B to the second prime. And then 0, 6 is right here. That is A to the second prime. All right. So really what we're doing is just taking our time and showing our work. For number 3, they want us to rotate by 90 degrees. So you're going to remember and then reflect over the y. To rotate by 90 degrees, we flip my x and y and make my x negative. Then we're going to reflect over the y. To do that, we're multiplying x by negative 1. So let's go in. Step 1 says label the 3 corners of the shape and their ordered pairs. So for A, B, C, you know what? I just realized I did this backwards. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that. So what we need to do is flip my x and my y for that 90-degree angle. So I'm going to get for A, 3, negative 1. For B, I'm going to get 9, negative 2.5. For C, I'll get 3, negative 4. Now it says identify the new ordered pairs after reflecting over the y. Now what I need to do is multiply my x by negative 1. So I'll get negative 3, negative 1. Negative 9, negative 2.5. And then I'll get negative 3, negative 4. When I go in and graph, I'll get negative 3, negative 1. That's A prime to the second. B will be negative 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, negative 2.5. So there's B to the second. And then C to the second is negative 3, negative 4. So it's rotated 90 degrees and it is flipped over the y-axis. For number 4, they want me to dilate by 1/2. So we'll multiply everything in there by 1/2 and then flip it, or sorry, by 1/2 and then rotate it 180 degrees.